Hello and welcome to a special lecture series on the principles of microeconomics. In the previous class, I taught you something called as elasticity of demand, but due to some technical problem, the formula was not visible in the previous video. So I thought let us recap the same concept today as well. So elasticity of demand is the measure of responsiveness, of the consumer towards either change in price or change in his or her income or change in the price of related goods. These related goods can be either the substitutes or the complements. So now let us look at what elasticity particularly means with the help of price. I will deal with the price elasticity of demand in the later lectures, but let us now take to understand what elasticity of demand means. Let us take the example and let us look at it with the help of some arbitrary example. Now elasticity is denoted by a small letter E, which means and which is equal to the ratio of this. It is the ratio of percentage change in quantity demanded due to percentage change in the price of the quantity which is being demanded. So now let us assume that the consumer is consuming commodity X. He or she is consuming commodity X, and let us assume that the price is denoted by Px and the change in price is denoted by delta Px. On the contrary, let us assume that the quantity demanded by this particular person, the quantity demanded of commodity X at that particular time is denoted by Qd, and the change in the quantity demanded due to change in price is denoted by delta Qd. So I hope this is pretty much clear. Now let us visit our formula, which says that percentage change in quantity demanded due to percentage change in price. This can alternatively be written as this: percentage change means delta in quantity demanded due to percentage change in price. Price of this particular commodity we are talking about. So now this percentage change, if at all I want to understand and if at all I want to write it mathematically, I will write like this, which means the change in the quantity divided by the original quantity into 100. This is percentage change. This is calculating percentage change in quantity demanded of X. This is talking about percentage change. This was normal notion wherein I included percentage, but percentage means when you multiply it by 100 you will get. So what do you have to multiply by 100? You have to multiply the the change in quantity divided by the original quantity into 100. Similarly, when we look at price, you have to take the change in price divided by the original price into 100. So this is now talking about the percentage change in quantity demanded, the numerator, and the denominator is talking about percentage change in price. So now I can cancel these hundreds out, and when I take this, what happens is this, when I take this in the numerator, what will happen is obviously it will come in multiplication, and this Px will go up, will go in the numerator, and delta Px will be in the denominator. So the next step will look like this, which is delta Q, this thing, it remains as it is, delta Q divided by Q. This is Qd, let us write it like this. This is change in quantity demanded over the original quantity multiplied by the original price or initial price divided by the change in price. So now I hope this looks pretty nice, and when I hope I can rearrange it. I can rearrange it. Now when I rearrange, I write E, which is elasticity, is equal to delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. I have just rearranged it. I have just rearranged it. So this delta Q divided by P is the marginal concept, and this P divided by delta Q is the average concept. Hence elasticity of demand is also called as, or it is also referred to as, the ratio of marginal to the average. So I hope the concept of elasticity of demand is pretty much clear with the help of this small lecture, which we had to record because of some technical problems in the previous one. Thank you so much.